Good morning children. So welcome to today's online class. So today I have come with a new question. So let us try to find the solution of this question. So here I have a question children. Evaluate. So question number 1 is 64 by 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. So yesterday in my last video only I have told that whenever there is minus power we will try to make it positive, and to make it positive what happens, the numerator goes down and the denominator comes up, and when you interchange numerator and denominator the minus power becomes plus. So that we have to do here. Here we have a division symbol. As you all know, in the lower classes you have learned, when there is division symbol and if you put multiplication, when we make it multiplication, the denominator part will become numerator and the numerator part will become denominator. That is also a very important crucial thing. Plus root 25 and cube root of 64, but to the power 0. So you see so many things given inside, but power 0. Anything power 0 is actually 1. So just to confuse you that they have given all this critical part inside the bracket, but the result is 1. So let us try to solve this question. So first of all I am going to make this power positive. So to make this power positive I am changing numerator and denominator. So I have changed here and my result will be now 2 by 3. So power will be same 2 by 3, but only positive, that negative power will become positive power. That is only the matter here. And here what you do, you put this division as multiplication. So the denominator part will become numerator. So denominator part is 256 by 625. This is our denominator, this everything, to the power 1 by 4. So same denominator I wrote at the top numerator, and the numerator you make it denominator. So this all happened due to this division has become multiplication. That is a rule that we have learned in the lower classes as well. And anything power 0 is so simple, 1. Nothing to think about the inside number, it's just 1. Now, yesterday also in my last video also I have told you, if I have fractional power, then look at the denominator of the power. What is the denominator of the power? 3. 3 means cube. So you think 125 is cube of which number, and 64 is cube of which number? So 125 is cube of 5 and 64 is cube of 4. So to remove this denominator in the fraction power, you will have to make it cube. So you write 5 by 4 whole cube. That means 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is 64. Meaning is not changed, same thing, only the form has changed. It has become a cube form and into 2 by 3 our power. So by doing this what happened, the benefit 3 got cancelled and only now 2 remains and fraction is removed. Now same multiplication you put here. Now you all know children, 1 at the denominator has no value. So now we will not write 1, only we will write the upper part. So what do we have in the upper part? We have 256 by 625. Now you can see the power is what? Fraction 1 by 4. So now you look at this 4. The denominator of the power, you see that is 4. Now 256 will become power 4 of what? That you have to think, and 625 will become power 4 of what number? So very simple children, to know that 256 is power 4 of which number, you can take a help like this. 256 you do like this. Please factorize with a prime number. Prime number means a number which is divisible by itself and 1. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these are the prime numbers. So you begin with 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. So you write 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are. Further with 2, 2 6s are 2 4s are. Again with 2, 2 3s are 2 2s are 2, again 16. So this is so simple. And now you can see how many 2s we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 2s and I need power 4. So what you make it 4 group. So when we make 4 group, this is first group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group. Why I am making 4 groups? Because I need this number in the power form of 4, because to remove this 4 I need power 4. So I can see first group, second group, third group, fourth group. So each group has 2 2s are 4. That means 256 is the 4 power 4 and 625 is the power 4 of 5. That you can do in the same way. What you do, you write 625 and then you factorize this way. You will get 4 by 5 power 4. That means 625 is the power 4 of 5 and 256 is the power 4 of 4 itself. And at the top, what do we have? At the top we have into 1 by 4 and now plus 1 here. So to cancel this 4 and 4, all these rough work we had to do. So very important, looking at the fraction power, the denominator part, you have to decide the internal numbers power. Now you can see here, what does it remain? Here only 5 by 4 and square remains. This is square only remaining here. And multiplication, here only power 1 remains. Power 1 remains means it is 4 by 5 itself, because anything power 1 is same number. And here what remains? Plus 1. Next, 5 square is very easy, 25. 4 square is 16 into 4 by 5 plus 1. So according to the BODMAS rule, children, first we have to multiply, then only we can add. So you multiply this. So while multiplying, you can see something is getting cancelled here. 4 and 4. This is 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja. And this 5 also is getting cancelled with 25. So I can see 5 1 ja 5, 4 1 ja 4. My result is 5 by 4 and here my result is only plus 1. So this is plus 1. Now we have to do LCM and we have to add then. Why we have to do LCM? So simple, children. It is said, when there is one fraction number and let the other number be not a fraction, let it be a perfect number, but because of this fraction, the addition or subtraction should be done with the help of LCM. So I will do LCM. So LCM of this 4 and below this 1 there is 1. LCM of 4 and the 1 here is 4 itself. And now this 4 1 ja 4, how many ja? 1 ja. That 1 will multiply with 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Plus below this 1 there is 1. 1 4 ja 4. So how many ja? 4 ja. That 4 will multiply with this one. 4 1 ja 4. So my result is 9 by 4. I can write my answer here, or even I can simplify further and I can write it in a mixed fraction. Then 2 whole 1 by 4. This is also correct. Both are correct. So children, so simple, but you have to practice again and again, then you will become perfect. I hope you understood. Thank you, children. So today again I have come up with a new question. So let us try to find the solution of this question. So here I have a question. So you need to evaluate, and of course the question is 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So again here we have minus power. So we'll try to make it plus power, positive power, by interchanging numerator and denominator. And here we have minus 3 is multiplying with 8 to the power 2 by 3. So fractional power. So we will look at this 3 and we'll decide that 8 is the cube of 2. So that way we have to do. And anything to the power 0 is 1. Any number having power 0 is 1. And 9 by 16, but power is minus. So again here also we'll try to make it a positive power. So let us begin this question, children. So equal to, so first of all I will try to make it a positive power. So 1 by 4 interchanging numerator denominator, it becomes 4 by 1, and then power will be now not minus 2 but plus 2. Next, minus 3, as the power is perfect, it is not a negative, it is positive power. But now your target should be looking at the denominator of the power, that is 3, decide for 8. So 8 is the cube of 2. So when 3 will come here, then this 2 by 3, this 3 and 3 will cancel. So very important, we want positive power, and second thing, if we have fractional power, we want to remove the fraction also in the power. So these two things are very important, these questions. Into anything to the power 0 is 1, plus again minus power, make it a plus power, that is by interchanging numerator and denominator, so power became positive. Now the good thing about this part is that there is no fractional power, it is 4 square. So 4 square is very easy, it is 16, and 1 square is 1, but in the denominator 1 has no value, so no need to simplify it. Minus 3 into, this is 2 square now, and 2 square is 4, so I can write 4 here in the bracket. If you don't prefer bracket, then multiplication symbol you can put and write into 4, and again into 1 also is here, plus now you can see it's a fractional power. So looking at this 2, decide for 16 and 9 and try to make it also a square. So 16 is square of 4, 9 is square of 3, so you can write 4 square, 3 square, and into the same power 1 by 2. 2 will cancel. Now 16. Now multiply these three numbers. 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are minus 12, plus now 4 by 3 power is 1, so it will be number itself 4 by 3. Now first of all, these two numbers are the numbers which we can subtract. So 16 minus 12 you subtract, it is 4 plus 4 by 3. So one is non-fractional, one is fractional. So in such case we have to do LCM. I have told in my previous video that fraction numbers should be always added or subtracted with the help of LCM. So here I write my LCM as 3, because there is below this there is 1. 1 and 3's LCM is 3. Now 1 3's are 3. How many is are? 3's are. That 3 4's are 12. Plus 3 1's are 3. How many is are? 1's are. 1 into 4 is 4. Next, here I will write 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 by 3. So the remaining part you can do like this also. 16 and 3 you can divide here also, directly also you can write. 3 5's are 15. So here we have 1. This 1 comes here and this 3 comes here. So my final answer will be 5 whole 1 by 3. This is correct. If somebody wants to write your answer here, this is also correct, no issue. So this was a very simple question, children. So once you start practicing these questions, let it be any type of question, you can solve it very easily, but the concept should be very crystal clear. Minus power, I will make it plus, and fractional power, looking at the denominator, I will break the number internal numbers accordingly. So these two concepts are very important. Rest, LCM, addition, subtraction, this is all the things we have been learning since long time. So thank you, children.